Hello YouTube, this is going to be a review today on my HG-107 HFC Colt 25. Comes in a plain brown box. When you open it, you got tiny manual, instructions on the gun. You have the gun, and a mock silencer. It's plastic. Goes on the barrel. Not very special. Doesn't do anything. Comes with polished 12-gram yellow BBs. Do not use those. They will break your gun. I'd recommend using 0.12 grams. Alright, let's get to the gun. Got the safety right here. Push it down. Take it off, push it up. Gas goes right in through there. It's a non-blowback green gas gun. You can also use propane and red gas. The mag, there's no button for it, so you just have to go like that, pull it, comes out. Mag holds 8 rounds if you force it. You pull it down, put the BBs in, and then they got a thing right here where when you put in the gun, it goes like that, makes all the BBs go into the feeding chamber. Gun clocks at around 250 FPS with green gas or propane. With red gas, it'll do maybe 280, 300. I got it for $20 off of Amazon. Airsoft sells it for like $25. Most like stores online sell it for like 24, 25 bucks. The body's made of plastic, ABS plastic. It's got some good weight to it though. Good for like last resort and shit. Alright, I'll do a shooting test. And I'll show you how to actually load green gas into it and loading it. What you're gonna want to do is take the gun and hold it upside down. Hold the trigger, not full, but half. Like that, and then fuck. All right, let me see if I can get this. This is my first green gas gun. I'm kind of bad at this. Just hold it, and we're good. All right, now that the green gas is loaded, take our .20s. All right. Ooh, it stinks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But as you can see, you could put one on the top, but I'm not going to do that. If you hold it upside down, the BBs will fall out, so you have to hold it. And then see the little thing? Pulls them up. Alright, here's an accuracy test. We got the target down there. Zoom in. Alright. And now it's out.
I'll be done in a second. I'm changing.
Alright. So, accuracy test shows we got nothing. We got 1 in the 6 range. We got 1 in the 7. Most of them are in 8, 9, and X. So that's pretty good. Accuracy's alright from like 5 feet away. So it would probably be most likely very accurate in CQB tight situations and shit like that. And you can actually get a lot of shots out on just the small, like it probably has a couple more mags left in it. I'll just load it up a little bit. Alright. I'll just shoot into the box. See, it still has more green gas in it. Like, it's still going. Overall, I give this gun 3.5 out of 5. Authenticity is pretty good. Yeah, it's average. Would not recommend it as a primary. Last resort, most likely. Alright. This is a review of HFC Colt 25 HG-107. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.